Some scissors.
Do you know what scissors are?
You need some Aunt Jemima.
Thank you. All right, what are you guys working on right now?
Cutting.
We're gonna cut this. Cutting.
Why are you cutting? Because you're supposed to cut.
And we're supposed to find a congruent triangle.
What are you trying to find?
We're trying to find a way of how the triangles can match.
How the triangles can match.
We have to name them of how congruent the triangles are.
Okay, so what's the first step though?
We have to cut these shapes out, and then we're gonna do like, let's say like this, and then we're gonna try to see the same shape as that.
Okay.
And then that means they're congruent.
So why did you decide to cut it?
So we can move it around the paper.
Oh, that's a good idea. So it's harder to just look at the paper and know. That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So for right now, we're allowed to cut the paper up, move the shapes around.
Yes.
Okay. What are you doing, David?
I'm waiting for the scissors.
Do you know where scissors are in this room?
Oh,
I'll go get some.
Thank you so much. That's wonderful news. What's congruent?
This,
Those two?
yeah.
Okay. Those two elephants or
Triangles.
what? Those two triangles are congruent. Can you prove to me why they're congruent?
Because they the same.
They're the exact same. What's the same about them?
The shape. I mean, the length. I mean, the,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, the length or something.
The length of the what?
Triangle.
Okay. So when I say length, I typically mean, does it mean angle or what do you think?
Length is like how long it is.
Can you show me with your finger how long that triangle is?
Like that.
Between your fingers? Oh, okay, got you. Okay. So what is this thing called in a triangle? Is it an angle or a side or a vertex?
A side?
Yeah. So you're comparing your sides. And they match up perfect?
Mm-hmm.
You can see through the paper like that?
Nope, a little bit.
A little bit? Do we have another tool that can help you see through?
I think I don't got none, the patty paper.
Oh, okay. Well, it's right in the middle if you want it.
We could reflect them. We could reflect the triangles with patty paper, and then we could see if they match.
Okay.
And we put the patty paper on top,
Mm-hmm.
and then we reflect the other triangle.
Mm-hmm.
And since we drew the other triangle in the patty paper, then we put it on top, and if it matches, then that means it's both congruent.
Okay, sounds good. What if it's not a reflection, though? What if it's a translation? Does that still count?
No.
No? Okay, can you prove that to me? I'm going to give you guys a minute to prove that to me. Okay? You too. Chop, chop. What are we doing over here?
Okay, I got the patty paper, and I just kept rotating it to see if it fit anywhere.
You were rotating.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have to do any reflections?
Sometimes I had to flip it over.
Can you write me a little note, like, from number 1 to this number 1? Can you write me a little note underneath it telling me if it's a rotation or a reflection that you had to do? I mean, obviously, you had to do a little bit of a translation because it moved.
Yeah.
But can you tell me,
I
was
rotated.
this a rotation or a reflection? And I'm going to come back. Can you write it for all of them? What's up, Jay? How's it going? Doing all right? Okay. So, I know you weren't here last class. Did anybody try to help you and tell you what congruent meant?
No.
That's mean.
I didn't ask.
Oh, you didn't advocate. That's so sad. Martha, can we help her out? Can you tell me what... Oh my... I'm looking at the camera, not you. I'm sorry. Alexandra, can you tell me what congruent means? Okay. Anna, do you remember?
Congruent is when something is equal to. Like, you match, like, for they were matching, you're just matching them up. Like, I think it's this one. Like this one to this one. That's congruent because they both match. So it's when a shape matches to it and it's exactly the same.
Can you put it in your own words, Nandri?
Yeah, it's like a reflection, kind of, but it's like the same as the other shape.
Okay. How many shapes do you need? to be like to have congruent shapes? 2? Could you have 3? 3 shapes that are congruent to each other? Sure, like triplets, right? Cool. Oh, hey guys. What are we doing over here?
My first patty paper.
You use patty paper. Seems like a really popular method.
Yeah.
All right,
It's easy.
Giselle, can you explain to me how you match them together?
I can't explain. I'm confused.
Can you show me?
You traced it and then
Well, you trace it like.
No, Giselle, you do it. Come on.
Well, you just match them.
Match them. Match them how?
You just trace it and you just put on the patty paper like that.
Okay, so does 5 go with 8?
No,
Why not? That's a match.
no, it's not. Look.
Which is
How it's
What do you define the word match?
look go around like that.
What does match mean?
no, it doesn't.
You gotta flip it.
Look,
No, you have to flip.
with this patty paper or
Oh,
something.
there you go.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like, I don't know.
The other side.
To kind of see it a little bit. In a way, kind of.
Uh-huh.
You can see the reflection of it.
Cool.
So yeah, that's how you can match them.
Cool.
Like for this one and this one match. I think, yeah, right?
I don't know. You were supposed to show me.
Yeah.
She said
Yeah, look.
this goes with
Well,
Is that perfect?
no, but. Oh, hold up. Yeah, just. Nope. Alright. There you go.
the congruent.
What in the hell?
You find the one you're talking about.
Yeah.
Show me, what do you mean by match? Can you be more specific with that?
No, like.
You don't?
I don't know.
But how do you know when to match them?
It
Does
looks the same.
numbered 4, okay, so is that your definition of matching?
Yeah.
When they're the same?
Yeah.
So which one is the same as number 4?
Ooh, I found a match. This.
Isn't it?
Yeah, number 5. Cause look.
No, wait.
Wait, where's number
7.
Okay, number 4 with number 5. Look.
Show me again?
Yep. Because as I traced it
Yes, but
over,
you gotta just
I
trace it
just
quickly.
switched it over here. And you can see it matches perfect.
Did you just do a reflection or a rotation?
Rotation.
Perfect.
There,
Match?
it doesn't.
It matches, as you would say. It's the same.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so make some kind of mark on your paper to show me that those are the same. How are we doing? Oh, you cut them out. Perfect. Can you tell me your method, Diana?
I cut them out and then like I matched them up to each other.
Okay. A lot of you guys are using the word match, but I don't know. I'm a mathematician. I don't really know what match means. What does that mean?
It means like to find partners like the same, they look the same and have the same angles.
Ah, now you sound like a mathematician too. I like that. So you're saying have the same angles. They're partners. Okay. And so are you sure that these two are partners?
Yeah.
Does it matter? Are they still partners even if I turn them around?
If you flip it over, yeah.
If I flip them like that?
Yes. Now that's makes it partner.
When he's all crazy like that? Are they still partners? Can you guys talk about that for a second? See if they're still partners. What's up?
Do you got another paper?
Another paper? Why? Did the other one catch on fire? It caught on fire. Well, did you put it out at least?
No, you don't smell it?
No. Can you put it out? Here you go. Thank you. You sure?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I copied it on here. And then I just matched it up with each one. Whatever one it looked like. And sometimes, some of them I had to flip it. Like either flip it like this or right this. Wait, which one was that one right there?
What's it called when you flip your patty paper?
A reflection.
Okay.
Wait, these one got nothing to do with it.
What's that? No. Yeah, those ones are different.
Oh, number 5. I had to see the. See, I copied that on this one
Mm-hmm.
and took it right here and then go like that. And then go when I moved it. So I reflect it.
Cool.
And it worked.
Perfect. Thank you.